Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your Realme 16 Pro 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is clean your microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So as you guys may notice, we got the port at the bottom. Now, if we want to clean it, we want to use something soft. We don't want to go too hard. And if we use something metallic, and I got a bad example here, but even if we use something like a SIM tray opener, then it can also damage our port, and we definitely do not want to use it because we want our port to be alive and not dead. Next, what you guys want to do is test your mic in a recorder app. So this is what I like to do. This is a personal test. We're going to go to Tools, and we're going to open up the recorder right here. Now in the recorder, what we need to do is simply agree and continue, start recording, and make sure that we allow it to send us notifications. Now, as you guys can see, whenever I stop talking, the line should go in a straight way and not be moving like this. So as you guys can see, it definitely works. My microphone is working, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys doing the next thing. So what we're going to do next here is we're going to restart our phone. This is to refresh the entire system and also refresh our microphone. Maybe it was just a glitch, and every single minor glitch is fixable by just restarting your device. So hold the power button, the volume up button, and swipe up to restart. Now the phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now, after the restart, let's quickly unlock our phone, and then what we're going to do is, as a last resort, we're going to update our software. So, we're going to go over to the settings, now scroll down to System and Update, and here click Software Update. We need Wi-Fi for it to check for updates. As you guys can see, it's checking right now. My version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version. So, that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.